이 외국인은 한국 고궁에서 들려오는 이상한 소리에 울컥하게 됩니다.
And then we're going to attempt to get tickets to see Gyeongbokgung at night. It's first come, first serve. Okay, I don't know, something about that music playing got me. Like, if you were visiting from a foreign land in the olden times and like that was what you were welcomed with, I would be so intimidated and in awe. But so this is very exciting. And from the palace, how you can see up there a fortress wall. You see it all lit up. Just so cool. All right, let's go listen to some tunes. This is great. Like truly, just picture you've come from whatever the hell country you're from to come visit the king, the emperor, and you hear this through the walls. Right? Like fearsome but beautiful. It has the same effect on me as bagpipes. I'm like close to tears.